Hello friends, now we will discuss about a very important part of atomic structure, that is Bohr's model. Bohr's model is like that. Number 1. An electron cannot revolve around nucleus in any chosen orbit. Actually, what is orbit? The circular path around nucleus where electron revolves around nucleus is called orbit. Now, the theory told that this is nucleus, and around this nucleus there are circular path, fixed circular path. These are called orbits. This is called nucleus. And this path or that path or that path, that circular paths are called orbits. Electron cannot move in any orbits. Only those fixed orbits are there where the electron can revolve. The first orbit is called K orbit or K shell. It is also termed as n equal to 1 shell. The second orbit is called L shell or n equal to 2 shell. The third orbit is called M shell or n equal to 3 shell. So, electron cannot revolve in any chosen orbit. Only there are some selected paths where electron can revolve. That is, electron cannot revolve in n equal to 1.5 orbit. Mind it, the value of n must be positive integer. This is the first point or first part of Bohr's model. I repeat, electron cannot revolve around nucleus in any chosen orbit. Only some orbits are selected where electron can revolve. These orbits called Bohr's stationary electronic orbit. And what is the meaning of that stationary orbit? Let us discuss in the second point. The second point stated that when an electron revolved in a particular orbit, it neither absorb energy any amount of energy. So, these orbits are called stationary orbit. The second point stated that when an electron revolves in an orbit, it doesn't absorb any energy. So these orbits are called stationary electronic orbit. Point number 3. Third point stated that when an electron jumps from higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit, it release the extra energy. Let us discuss about that with a figure. Let this plus charge indicate nucleus, and around nucleus there are orbit. It is called first orbit, that is n equal to 1 orbit, and after that it is second orbit, that is n equal to 2 orbit. When electron jumps from n equal to 2 to n equal to 1 orbit, it release the extra amount of energy. Let at n equal to 2 orbit, the energy of the electron is E2, and n equal to 1 orbit, its energy is E1. So it will emit the amount of energy equal to E2 minus E1. This is the amount of released energy. Similarly, when the electron is in first orbit and it absorb energy, it will jump to higher energy orbit. Similarly, in this case, the value of E2 minus E1 is equal to absorbed energy. So, I repeat the third point of Bohr's theory. It stated that when an electron jumps from higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit, it will release energy, and when the electron absorb energy, it will jump from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit. These are the three theory of Bohr's model. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.